Hello everyone, I'm Vikram Kishore Bharti, a PhD scholar at IIT Hyderabad. My PhD thesis is bacterial cellulose derived carbon nanofiber for metal sulfur batteries. The major objective of this work to develop an efficient cathode matrix with electrocatalyst and a flexible and freestanding cathode matrix which can be utilized for metal sulfur battery. So the motivation behind this work nowadays, because of increasing environmental cleanliness, people are moving towards the electric vehicle. Nowadays, the lithium-ion battery is used for running an electric car. Here, we can see if lithium-ion battery can be used for running an electric car, it can go till 200 kilometers between consecutive charges. But if the same car can be used, can be run using metal sulfur battery, it can go beyond 400 kilometers. As well as the highest uh, solar flight was tested for using lithium sulfur battery in August 2008, and it has been proved that lithium sulfur battery can be used efficiently for running a flight as well. The reason is the capacity of the material used for lithium ion battery are on lower side. However, if we compare the sulfur batteries, this number on the higher side, almost 5 times higher than the lithium ion batteries. So there are still few problems with the sulfur batteries, which include insulating nature of sulfur and subtle behavior. In subtle behavior, the intermediate polysulfide generated during the reaction are soluble in electrolyte and keep settling between cathode and anode, causing loss of active material. So for that, bacterial cellulose, one of the purest cellulosic precursor, was chosen to quantify these issues, where the beneficial properties are high electrical conductivity to impart the conductivity to sulfur, porous morphology to sustain the volume changes during the reaction, and electrocatalyst using Mn2O3 for tackle the issue of subtle behavior, and because of that the improved performance can be achieved. So in this case, the Mn2O3 electrocatalyst loaded with the carbonized bacterial cellulose was used as a cathode material, and slurry was prepared using the binder and pasted on the current collector and utilized directly as the electrode. If we see the efficacy of this work, here an electric car can be run at the even at lower cost using sulfur battery more than 400 kilometers. The outcome of this work include high performance cathode material with inbuilt electrocatalyst, simple and scalable approach, and can be operated at higher current rate. In the preceding work, we have utilized flexible and freestanding cathode where we are not using any binder or current collector. So that's why we are reducing the weight of the battery. And this is the novel and effective way to distribute sulfur on the surface. And it was used to run to light and candle, where it can run light the candle for continuous 6 hours without fluctuation in the light. Thank you.